We are at Hall 6 where igus is exhibiting a lot of innovations. And when it came to this Hannover Messe at igus stall, I noticed apart from the brand color of orange, they have different colors. For low cost automation, they are having some blue color, violet color, and they are having for smart plastics, very interesting, this pink color. So let's ask, we are having Richard, who is heading the smart plastics division, and let's hear out from him. First of all, why this color? Very interesting, very vibrant.
Why this color? I can't answer because this is our marketing decision. I don't know really, but I like the color because it is very effective. Everybody recognize it. But our sensors are much more smaller. Usually you don't see them, they are very small. Okay. Have a look on that thing. Imagine if such an energy chain, if it is running in a trough on 100 or 200 meters, and something blocked the way. Have a look here. So something blocks the way, there's something in the way, it stops. So that is the trick, preventing catastrophic failure with little simple sensors. Or on faster applications, like bigger gantries, you see there's a link missing, and the machine stops before everything goes to crash. This is what we called i.Sense condition monitoring. And on top of that, we have a machine. There is a small industry computer inside.
Okay.
With a couple of other sensors together, it is possible to predict e-chain's lifetime, and especially for the longer applications, it is possible to give a suggestion when the next maintenance has to be done.
So next scheduled maintenance is 3,99,000
kilometers. We count forward, backward, backward. We add this length and then we count it. So it's very easy.
Predictive maintenance.
It's predictive maintenance, and it is not a concept, it's not fantasy, it is not only hot air, it is real, you can buy it. Also in India.
So why smart plastics?
Smart plastics is a combination of, we do it smart, so we define it in a way that always when our plastic products starts communicating with the customer on an electronical way, condition monitoring or predictive maintenance, then we call it smart plastics.
That's amazing, because plastics some people see as a threat or plastic sustainability issues, but we have seen that igus is acting so responsibly through change and also making engineered plastics useful in our life.
And what's more, so for us plastic is one of the most sustainable materials, because we promise our customers we buy the plastic back. Means if the chain is out of service after a very long time, you dismount the chain, you will find an homepage, and we call it change, and go to the homepage here, click on that, and we will take over the plastic and we will pay you this money for the raw material. Because for us it is a very worthwhile raw material to making new chains.
True. igus in India is doing an amazing job. When you are coming to India?
I was in India around about 20 times.
Okay.
So I know India very well, and I will go to India at least one time this year again.
Excellent.
So, because you have a lot of really good machine tool manufacturers, they're making gantries, they're making machine tools, and you have another really big field where it is a lot of benefits. That is, we call it bulk handling or stacker reclaimer, where the big coal or whatever will be managed. There is a lot of dirt, dust, whatever. Things can fall into the chain, and this protects the chain, and it prevents definitely unexpected downtime for a very low price. Of course, you have to pay it, but the investment, according to the costs which can happen when the chain crashes, is nothing. There is a $200 million stacker reclaimer. If one link breaks, the stacker reclaimer is stopped working for at least 2 weeks.
Thank you, Richard, for giving us this information, and it is very beneficial for all of us. And because when I first got in touch with igus before 20 years, it was just these energy chains which I have seen, and today you have so much of technology integrated into it, trying to help the manufacturer's life more easy. Thank you very much for your time.
You're welcome.
And I wish you all the best.